Hello, this is Sheshachalam from Astroguide Mysore. Today, let us understand another form of Daridra Yoga. Many different specified in the Brihad Parashara Hora Shastra. So, today it more focuses on Trikonas. What is a Trikona? A trine, that is the fifth house and the ninth house from the ascendant. The ascendant is also a trine, but it is also a quadrant. But here, the focus is more on the fifth lord and the ninth lord. So let us understand how this yoga is defined. In this particular case, the fifth lord and the ninth lord have to be posited in the sixth and the 12th respectively. So that means the fifth lord has to move to the sixth house and the ninth lord has to move to the 12th house. Please observe this movement. It's very important. You will understand a great insight into why this is known as a Daridra Yoga. The sixth house, if you count from the sixth house, what is wrong in the fifth lord going to the sixth house? Not much. What is wrong in the ninth lord going to the 12th house? Again, nothing. Not a very big significant difficulty, because the ninth lord has moved 4 houses, 9, 10, 11 and 12th. The fifth lord has moved 2 houses, 5th and 6th. So significantly the movement does not show much of a difficulty. But just count from the 6th house. 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. So that means they are in opposites from each other. They are aspecting each other. That is, once again, from the 6th house, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is 7 houses. So, what is the difficulty if the 5th lord and the 9th lord are aspecting each other? It's a great mutual aspect of lords of the trines. The second part of the yoga will now make you understand. So, the first part is the 5th lord is in the 6th house, the 9th lord moves to the 12th house, and it should be placed or conjunct or aspected by a maraka. So here the maraka is the 7th lord and the 2nd lord from the native. So in this particular Daridra Yoga, the 5th lord and the 9th lord are having aspect of the 7th lord. It is one of the biggest Raja Yogas if we are to say that the lord of the trine is along with the lord of a quadrant, which is a very big Raja Yoga. But if this Raja Yoga moves to the 6th and the 12th along with the Marakesh, that is this 7th lord, it gets converted into a Daridra Yoga. So you should understand that the 12th lord, the house of loss, and the 6th lord, the house of roga or runa, gets afflicted, or it doesn't get afflicted, it afflicts the lord of the trines, that is the 5th lord and the 9th lord, which are actually representing the future generation, that is children, and the previous generation, that is the father of the native. And also it represents Purva Punya Sthana of the native, that is the 5th house, and the 9th house represents luck. So when luck goes into the 12th house and gets totally hit because of the placement of a maraka, that is the 2nd lord or the 7th lord placed or aspecting that particular place, or when the fifth house, that is the house of creativity, knowledge, so many things, goes into the sixth house, then again that is Rogasthana, and gets hit by a Maraka, then the native will go through lot of difficulties in the said Dasha and Bhuktis of those lords and that of the Maraka because of the conjunction. So this is a Daridra Yoga which has to be tested very clearly before unnecessarily giving any prediction. One has to understand the planets involved and then get into predictions, simply not jump into it. So this is one of the Daridra Yogas, and this is just a definition. So all these yogas in the later advanced classes, I will be explaining them with real charts on the board. Thank you very much for today's class.